Welcome to ED Kids TV. Hello friends, I am a letter V. I am a uppercase letter. Hi friends, I am a letter V. I am a lowercase letter. World starts with the letter V. V is for vase. V is for vase. V is for volleyball. V is for volleyball. V is for vulture. V is for vulture. V is for vehicles. V is for vehicles. V is for wet. V is for wet. V is for vanilla. V is for vanilla. V is for vegetables. V is for vegetables. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe our channel, like and share with your friends. Bye bye.